We started out in NorCal, you guys. And of course, we're gonna start with the pretty big Nike outlet. Pretty decent sized shop. If I remember, this one had a pretty good clearance section. This is the Nike outlets. Oh, their clearance section got a little smaller. Last time I came here, this side and this side was both the back walls. Do get 30% off at least. I'm trying to find one of these for one of my boys. Oh, this is size 9.5 women's. Oh, actually, this is size 8 men's. This is what I'm looking for. But I don't know, has it been worn? I know that Zoom X, it does look like it's been worn like half the times. I am looking for one of my boys, but this is still kind of high. I think I'm gonna have to find this at the clearance store. $230 and 30% off. It comes out to what, $160 or something? Jordan 2 Mason Chateaus. Oh, these are 6.5. I was like, what? I haven't seen one of these in forever. Holy cow, these look really dope. I actually do really like these. What they going for? $189.99. Do get that extra 30. KD16s go for way too much. Holy cow. $160. Romelio 4s, $140. These are some weightlifting shoes. $170. $170 for these right here. I feel like we've seen that cheaper at Chic. $110, way too much for blazers. We've been seeing those on sale at every retail shop, it seems like. This is in the wrong size, but look at this. Infinity Refiner 3s. $65. That means it's what, 40 or 45 bucks or something? That is just hella cheap. Holy crap. $47 or so for these bad boys that retailed at $120 or $140 or something. Wow. The newer version, I think they're at $160 now. Holy cow. Yeah, these go for $120. Got some lows right here. Going for retail. These are 7.5 though. These look so dope, dude. Jordan 1 low. Football cleats. Savelios right here if you're into powerlifting. More budget version of those Romelios. $60. That is definitely a steal. Holy cow. Rarely ever see these under 100. Size 10 Jordans right here, $160. So that's close to 100. Like 120 or something. Brown's colorway of the Pegasus 40s right here, going for 100 bucks. Checking out some clearance apparel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 racks. Not that bad. Then you do get that extra 30% off all this stuff right here. Do got Lakers, $50. $50. Oh, it's a long sleeve. $50. I guess it goes down to 35. Do got an XL shirt right here. That's a little bit much for me. With 30 bucks for those. That comes out to what, 21? Do got the John Morant's right here, going for 65 right here. This is a large. That's a pretty dope logo. 35 for this hoodie right here. It's not Tech Fleece. It looks like Tech Fleece, but definitely doesn't feel like Tech Fleece. 35 for that. Double XL. Go Pats t-shirt right here. I don't see a sales tag though. Jordan t-shirt go for 30. 50 for this Jordan hoodie. I've never seen that lettering. Gore-Tex poofy jacket right here. $315. Holy cow, it is a tech pack though. Dang, dude. Definitely not cheap. Is what they're doing with Nike SB right now? Getting like super bougie? What the hell? I thought SB were like the outlaws and like the edgy fools. Dude, really? $70 or $67 for that. Double XL. Another bougie sweater right here. Not even a sweatshirt, a sweater. Jordan flight sweater right here going for $90. Got shorts right next to sweats. Sweats, these are going for what, $53. Super premium though. Super premium. Got these aren't SB, are they? No, golf, Nike Golf, go for $85. Got this hoodie right here. It's like that recycled material. This is double XL. It's under $40. You get an extra 30 on top. And then a Lakers jersey. I've never seen this colorway. The hell? It's like a deep gold. I've never seen this one. Is this an authentic? $160 for this bad boy right here. Oh, it's a select jersey. It is an XL. $160. At least you get the 30 off. I think I'm already on the third rack right here. Like, there's plenty, but not really. But yeah, 35 for these sweats right here. 50 for these. Like, they got a lot, but like I said, not really that much that's like super interesting. Got these shorts right here, golf shorts, looks like. 45 for those. See tech fleece right here. Damn, no extra discounts, just the 30. Dang, someone's being stingy. Y'all stingy bastards. Stingy bastards. What the hell? So yeah, so got the Super Nintendo Jordan sweats right here. 35. Oh wow. Okay. I'll take that pack because that's the cheapest we've ever seen these, because 30% off. That's, dang dude, that's like what, 25 bucks? Tech fleece all along the wall. 100, you get an extra 40 off. So $60 for these, 60 for those. Also 60 for this right here as well. I heard some of the workers talking and they smell funk here and there. I agree. Right next to the clearance clothing, there was a nice little bit of funk. And they sprayed a bunch of stuff right here because they said they smelled something. I was listening to them talk to each other. But yeah, going back to the size 11s. See some size 9s right here in the size 11s. These go for $160. Is this the colorway that I saw for hella cheap? I think so. I think I found a refurb like this for hella cheap. I am looking for one of these for hella cheap as a refurb. These are $160 though. That's a little pricey. Vomero's going for way too much at $160 right here. Weird colorway too. Size 12 Jordan 2s right here, $140. They're still trying to get $120 for these Air Force Ones. That's way too much. Air Max 1. These are the 86 premiums going for $140. I like the color on these, man. The colorway is dope, dude. Different materials too. I really like that one. Holy cow, that's really nice. Really nice. $140. So 30% off. Get you close to 100. Size 11 Airspan 2 is going for way too much at $85. Weird looking Mocs going for way too much at $180. $180 for these? Are y'all smoking something? $180? Who the hell's paying $180 for these? ISPA fans apparently. $160 for these size 10s. I need to find a spot out here with some refurbs. $125 for these. Size 12 Vomero 17 wides going for $120. $90 for these bad boys right here. 30% off. That's not too bad. That's not too bad for the Miami's Dolphin colorway of the Cortez right here. Gray sail colorway of the Infinity Run 4s right here. Guys, is that, no, that's like tan, dude. That's not even sail. That's way darker than sail. My bad. $120 for those. Size 13 Vaporfly Next Percent 3s, 2 bills for those. That's actually a really good price. Yeah, because that brings that down to what, 130 or something? 140, my bad, 140. TikTok colorway of the Zion 3s right here, 140. Jordan 2 size 9 for some reason over here, 140. Size 14, they still trying to get regular price for the Lucas. At least the Zoom Freaks, at least these are $60. These KD Trade 59s, $50. And the extended size pricing for those. Size what, 17, $100, extended size priced. Size 18, $100. Remember, you do get the extra discounts. What's this right here? Some Ja ones going for 60, size 18, kind of big. Dang, look what I missed earlier. Holy cow. Little heat wall right here, and you get that extra 30 off. Okay. Men's size right here of these aluminum foil Jordan 1s. These are size, what, 12? 11 and a half, so size 10 men's. These are definitely interesting. Got another pair of Jordan 1s right here. You get 30 off. Then you got these right here, some Dunks. It's a pretty cool colorway. Then they do got these. I'm curious to see what the price is for these. This is a size 12 right here. Damn, they want retail? Y'all on crack, dang, dude. And this is the backside right here. That's about it. All right, I was gonna come check out more of the clearance apparel, but like it's kind of been the same old. And they're getting rid of a lot of their winter stuff, but You know, it's all right, but nothing crazy. They do have a lot of discount signs. 35, you get an extra 30 off. Oh, what the heck? Oh, okay, yeah, 35 for those as well. More sweats, $50. You do get 50 or 30% off. But the price is just, they're not super low right now. With the discounts, they're not bad. I'm just saying they're not like really well priced. 85, you do get another 30% off. We've been seeing stuff like this for like way cheaper at Foot Locker and stuff lately. So, you know, maybe Foot Locker's the move. There is a Foot Locker outlet here, so I'm definitely gonna go stop by within the next few minutes. Got a decent number of aisles. Let's go see what's up in the aisles. I just laugh every time I see these now. They're going for $1.20 here. I swear they marked it wrong when I got them for hella cheap. This is a pretty dope colorway right here. $140 for those. Air Max 2017s right here. Got some 90s. Air Max TWs. Was that last one even in frame? Vapor Max Plus right here. 2023s. Highs right here. Mostly black. Got some Hirachis. Hirachi runners right here. Oh, they do look different. Airspan 2s. Be very patient with these. I got mine for like 30 bucks, some of that. 40, not too bad. Air Max Correlates. What the hell are these? Why are they going for so much? More Air Force Highs. Dunk Low Quick Strikes. Blazer Mids right here. Another one right here. Some Terminators. The shape on these are so weird. Got some Roshis. Got a trio of these bad boys. And they just keep falling. ACG Locates. Hyperdunk 2017s. Then we got a bunch of stuff that we see at most outlets. Cosmic Unity 2s, 3s, KD, Trey 5 10s right here. We saw the 9s forever, now we're seeing the 10s. Witness 7s, we're gonna start seeing a ton of the 8s in a bit. Next gens. Then the Team J's right here. Take 1, 2s. Yeah, man, plenty of those. Then we do have some retros, Jordan 1 highs. We've really been seeing these at a ton of outlets. I think this one too. Did this one come straight to the outlets? And I also don't see Team Red on these. It's like a super dark red. Jordan 2 lows. Infrared 7s. I'm so sad I paid $160 for these. I feel like we've seen them for way cheaper now. Dang it. We see them on the back wall at every spot. Damn. Jordan 1 high golf. Some 12 low golf. And some 6 low golf right here. Okay. Tried seeing what's up in the women's section. For all 12 of you women that do watch, do get 30% off the back wall, but not really much. Not really much. Got these Air Max 95s. These are size 13 though. For 130. Size 10 Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. These ain't bad. These are pretty comfortable. And yeah, $70. That's not bad. Right next to that, got some Blazers going for 40 before discount. Size 11, some mids going for full price. Air Max 1s right next door, going for 130. And more of the common sizes. Size 6 right here, 120. Size 9, 130 for these. Infinity One Flyknit 3s, going for 75. Got these bad boys right here. Size 9 go for 190. Workers just brought out some Vaporfly Next Percents in the women's for some dude, and dang it, he asked if they had a size 8. He said no. Yeah, I got some Metcon 9s here. These are going for 130. Yeah, not really too much. Not really too much. The full trend on this Vaporfly Next Percent. Dang it. Dang it. I'm sad. Couldn't find those. I got a little hodgepodge of random stuff right here. Got a recycled bag, which I've never seen. It does have magnets on top. And there's a tech pack made of that material. $40, normally $110. You get an extra 30 off on top. They got Elite socks right here from Christmas. These are 10 down to 7. They got these. Are these wool socks? I don't know, but $7, normally 15. Kind of in a whatever color, but they got a bunch of them. They got these mini backpacks, I guess, for the girls. $20, normally 27. They got basketballs going for $10. Mini basketballs, mini soccer balls, $10, and then mini footballs. They're all rubber, but $10. Then you get 25% off these water bottles and stuff. These are insulated, but it is still plastic. These are 30. So you're gonna get 25% off of that. These are protein shake things. I think so, yeah. I think that's what these are. $24. You get an extra 25% off. I think that's it, man. I think that's it. Pretty decent outlet right here. It is in an outlet mall. The Great Mall. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna stop by a few more stores. Stay tuned, yo. Stay tuned.